Hi, hello, dear students. How are you? I hope so. You're doing great. This is Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel, Maths Super Tips and Tricks. In this channel, I'm going to teach the various levels of examinations, especially objective type regarding the maths. In objective type examinations, time is important. Within short time, you have to focus the more number of questions. That is only possible if you know the super tips and tricks. That is all I'm going to teach in my videos. Every video I'm using amazing super tips and tricks to crack the any type of the question from any chapter easily. So within fraction of seconds you can get the solutions. So that is mostly helpful to you to focus the more number of questions in your final examination, and also quick revision, quick preparation. Also these tips and tricks are very helpful to you, especially JEE mains and MSET point of view. These videos are very helpful to you. Most of the videos are uploaded, so whose links are given in the below description. If you want, you can watch those videos for your better progress. Right? Okay, if you're not yet to watch my videos, please watch them. And if you're not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe to watch up-to-date videos. Every up-to-date video reaches to you. Those are mostly helpful to you for your better performance and to get the best and better ranks in your competitive level of examinations. Can you? Yes, on the topic definite integrations as a part 5, I'm going to teach in this video with amazing super tips and tricks. Depends on reduction formulas. Reduction formulas are very important, very easy to crack any type of questions. What are the reduction formulas? How can you use it? So we can discuss one by one. Are you ready? Yes, without delay, let's get started. Actually, what is use of the reduction formula? To find out integral of sine, cos, maybe sine and cos, tan with higher powers like and any power is that is a natural number like positive integer also like sine power 10x. So on so limits to find out the sine power 10x, what you have to do. Maybe least power we can do it easily like sine square x, sine cube x up to sine power 4x. Little bit we can use easily, but if there are higher powers, it is very difficult to reduce the sine power, cos power, sine and cos power, as well as tan, cot, etc. In such cases, we have to use reduction formulas. Reduction formulas are very important. So, what are the reduction formulas? How can you apply it? We will discuss now. Now, look at the question number 1. Is asking integral of sine power 4x between the limits 0 to pi by 2. Very simple way, easy way we can use the reduction formulas. Are given the 4 options also. This is getting this solution simply, one step I'm doing. So, yes, 3 pi by 16 its answer. That's it. Within 2 seconds, we can get the solution. All it is to know this process, you have to know what is reduction formula with sine power n, where n is any natural number between the limit 0 to pi by 2, as well as cos power n x between the limit 0 to pi by 2. So, for that, what is the tip reduction formula with sine and cos I am using now. First of all, integral of 0 to pi by 2 limits either sine power nx. Maybe it is also equals to cos power n between the limit 0 to pi by 2. For our convenience, you can take it as in. This is in. What is in here? Integral of sine power nx between the limit 0 to pi by 2, same way cos also. So this in we can reduce as n minus 1 by n minus 3 by n minus 2. We can observe that from the numerator, odd numbers are reducing from the n. In the denominator, even numbers are deducting like n minus 0. n minus 0 is 1 only. N minus 2. Can you guess next one? Yes. N minus 5 by n minus 4. And so on. We can get somewhere else 1 by 2. So, we have to split like this. Somewhere else you can get the 1 by 2. Don't split to get the negative value. Wherever you can get the 1 by 2, we can take it into pi by 2. When we can get the 1 by 2 when n is even number. When you can get the 1 by 2? When n is even number. After getting 1 by 2, you can stop it and into pi by 2 you can take. Same way you can expand this is as it is. Somewhere else you can get the 2 by 3. If you get the 2 by 3 somewhere else, we can take into 1. So when we can get the 2 by 3 when n is odd number. That's it. 2 by 3 into 1 is 2 by 3 only. But for our recognize purpose, I had mentioned as into 1 also. Look, okay. When we can get the, by splitting like this up to somewhere else, we can get the 2 by 3 when n is odd number. When you can get the 1 by 2 when n is even number. How can you remember it? Easily you can understand, in the, from the observe the numerator, from the n, every odd number is reducing. In the denominator, even the even number is reducing, like n minus 0, n minus 2, n minus 4 and so on. When n is odd, what you can get? 2 by 3 you can get, immediately you can take 1. No need to take 1, you can stop there. Then simplify it. And further to also having the small hint again, easily you can do it. What is that hint also? By this question you can get it. And when n is even, you can get, what is value? 1 by 2. Then you can write 1 by 2, immediately you can take pi by 2. These are for reduction formula, sine and cos, where n is any natural number. Limits are from 0 to pi by 2. Clear? Right. According to this one, in, in place of n, what is there here? 4. We can take I4. I4, in place of n, what is there? 4. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3 by n is 4 only. After that, 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4, 4 minus 3 by 4 minus 2, like this we can do. But that also you no need to remember. We can reduce the 2 from the numerator and denominator. Now after 3 by 4, is it clear what is 3 by 4? N minus 1, n is what? 4. 4 minus 1 is 3 by n is 4 into, by the, from the 3 we can reduce the 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. Yes, 1 by 2 got. Then you can stop it into, immediately you can take pi by 2. Why you got the 1 by 2? Because what is n here? 4. 4 is what? 4 is clearly even number. If n is even number, what you can get? 1 by 2 into pi by 2, immediately you can take. Okay, I will do one by one. Gradually you can pick up what is the correct formula, right? So according to the tip, what I had written, n minus 1 by n, like 3 by 4. From the 3 we can remove the 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2 into pi by 2. In place of the 4, maybe any positive integer, right? Now this is a solution. Which option is correct one? Third option. Now we can come to the next question. Is it clear? Just we can concentrate. In this question you can observe that cos power n form is there, but limits are not from 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 is there here? No, it's not 0 to pi by 2. It is minus 2 pi to plus 2 pi. We can reduce the limits first. Function is in the form of x1 into x only. It will be 1 into x only you can use. Otherwise means x only you can use. Otherwise you can reduce that also. We will discuss one by one. No need to worry. Okay. First we can, to reduce into 0 to pi by 2, we can apply the properties. Those properties already I have given in the part 1. What are the properties? In which one of the property? Minus a to a. Minus a to a, f of x dx. We can write 2 times of 0 to a, fx dx. When f of minus x is equals to plus fx, right? Here we can observe that cos minus x is what? Cos minus x is cos x only. This is just like fx. F of minus x is fx means what? You can write that as 2 times of 0 to a means 2 pi into cos power 6x, right? Again, is it in the form of 0 to pi by 2? No. Again, we can apply one more property. What is that? Integral 0 to 2a f of x dx is 2 times of 0 to a fx when f of 2a minus x is equals to fx. All these I have given in part 1. Okay, once you can watch those videos, previous videos, definitely we can follow. As a sequence wise, I am taking as part 1, 2, 3, right? right? According to this formula, 0 to 2a, 0 in place of 2a, what is there? 2 pi. f of x means what here? Cos power 6x. F of means cos of 2 pi minus x. What is cos of 2 pi minus x? Yes, exactly cos x, which is in the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive. That's why you can take 2 times of already is there. By using this one more 2 will come. 2 into 2, 4 into between the limit 0 to pi. 2a of we can take a, 2 pi of is pi, cos power 6x. Okay, again it is also not in the form of 0 to pi by 2. Again use the same tip. Cos in place of 2a, what is there? Pi. Cos pi minus x. Cos pi minus x is what? Minus cos x in the second coordinate. But what is the power here? 6. 6 is what? Even power. Means same function only can get. F of 2a minus 6 is equal to fx. Means what? Again we can apply this is 2 times of 0 to a. 2 into 2, 2 into 4, 8 times of 0 to a. Means half of the pi is pi by 2. Right? Cos power 6x dx. Yes. Now it is ready to apply the reduction formula. So what is the reduction formula here? Now it is in the form of cos power nx. In place of n, what is there? This 8 is extra. In place of n, what is there? 6 is there. 6 minus 1, 5 by 6. N minus 1 by n. 6 minus 1, 5 by n is 6. As what I said, what I given here? We can reduce the 2 to 5 minus 2 is 3 by 6 minus 2 is a 4. Again, reduce 2 from the 3. 3 minus 2 is a 1 by 4 minus 2 is a 2. We got immediately pi by 2 somewhere else. Okay. Why you got the 1 by 2 here? We immediately got the, we take the pi by 2. We got because of, we got the 1 by 2. 1 by 2 we got it. Why it is 1 by 2? Because of what is n value? N is 6 even. If it is even compulsory, we can get the 1 by 2. Then what you have to use? Pi by 2, right? We can make the simplification. This is 4 3 2's. Again 4 2's 8 8 cancel. 5 into 5 5 pi by this cancel. 2 into 2 4 5 pi by 4. Which option? 5 pi by 4 is clearly second option. Is it clear? Are you following? What are the reduction formulas are given here? In is in the form of sin power nx or cos power nx between the limit 0 to pi by 2. If it is not in the form of limit 0 to pi by 2, can reduce by using the properties. Is it clear? Now can come across some more questions, right? Look at the question number 3 and 4. What you can observe that question number 3. Integral of cos cube 4x between limit 0 to pi by 6. Is it in the form of cos power nx between the limit 0 to pi by 2? No. First of all, cos cube is there. In place of n is 3 is there. But in the angle, what is this angle here? 4x. But we want in terms of x only. One multiple only we want. That's why we have to reduce into multiple of 1. Means maybe in place of 4x, what it may be later, it will be 1 multiple. You know substitution method. We can use to reduce into reduction formula using, we can take 4x as a t. Okay, 4x as t means derivative of this is 4 into dx as a dt. From this, what is the dx is? 1 by 4 dt. What I am doing? I am using the substitution method. What is substitution? 4x is some t later we can take. After take the, this is in terms of t, dx also we can convert in terms of dt, right? That is also over. Now we have to concentrate on limits changing. What is the lower limit of a given question? 0. What is the lower limit of x here? 0. These are limits for x function, but we need in terms of t function. What is our substitution? 4x is the t. Take the x is 0 here. Automatically you can get 4 into 0 is 0 only. What is the lower limit of t? 0. Now same way, upper limit of x is what given? Pi by 6. Okay, now we can concentrate on t. That is 4 into, in place of x we can take pi by 8. X is given as pi by 8. 4x we taken as, what you have taken? 4x is t. 4 into in place of x we can take pi by 6 is a t value. So 4 into pi by 6 is 4 into pi by 8 is how much? Pi by 2. Now limits also change. Limits are changed from 0 pi by 6 to 0 to pi by 2. Therefore the question becomes 0 to pi by 2 limits, right? Cos cube 4x as a t I have taken and dx. dx is 1 by 4 dt, right? We can take 1 by 4 is outside, that is constant. 1 by 4 times of integral 0 to pi by 2 into cos cube t dt. Is it in this form? Yes, it is exactly in that form. Maybe function in terms of t or x, same function, value doesn't affect. Already those also are given in part 1, right? Is it in the form of I3, right? 1 by 4 into I3. I3 we can write I3, 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is how much? Sorry, the 3 only. N is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 1 into 3 minus 1 by 3. 3 minus 1 by 3. What you got? 2 by 3. When we can get the 2 by 3? When n is odd. What is the 3 here? Odd number or even number? Yes, odd number. Immediately you can use that as into 1. No need to take the 1 actually. If we take, okay, better. 2 2's 4. Therefore, what is our answer? 1 by 2 into 3, 6. Is it clear? What I did, I used the substitution method. Then we can reduce the given function into reduction formula. Then we can crack within fraction of seconds. So 1 by 6, we got it. Is it clear? Which option is correct one? Yes, first option. Right? Now to use those reduction formulas, the function angle is also in the one multiple, limits are also in the form of 0 to pi by 2. Then we can apply, otherwise we have to reduce. First of all, then we can proceed for reduction formulas. Clear? Right. Now look at the question number 4. Here also sin power 5 is there, sin power nx form, but limits are not 0 to pi by 2. Now it is in the form of what? Now only just now I have given for previous question. Integral fx from the limits minus a to plus a is what? Is 2 times of 0 to fx when f of minus x is equals to fx, right? Otherwise 0. Otherwise means when f of minus x is equals to minus fx. Okay, you have to follow the each and every properties, tips and tricks. Then we can crack any type of question easily. Okay, now is it clear now? What are those two conditions, from the minus a to a limits? It is in the form of minus a to a only. What is f of minus x? F of x is clearly sin power 5x, right? F of minus x is sin power 5 into minus x. What is sin minus theta? Yes, sin minus theta is a minus sin theta. That is sin minus x is minus sin x power 5. 5 is a clearly odd number. That's why minus sin power 5x only can get. What is fx is sin power 5x with minus fx. What is the result here? F of minus x is equals to minus fx we got. F of minus x is equals to minus fx. Immediately you can take this is a 0. So without doing anything, what is the answer here? It is clearly fourth option, that's it. Okay, it is clearly odd function, that resultant value is 0. Is it clear? Now we can come back to some more questions, right? See the question number 5. What is given? Integral of some x into sin power 6x is there. Sin power 6x is there like sin power nx, but some extra x is there as our limits are from 0 to pi. So now it is in the form of x fx. This property also I used in previous videos. What is that? Tip 0 to some a to b. Some a to b, x fx is there. This one we can take it as a plus b by 2 of a to b fx. Okay, this is also used in previous videos. This is one of the property. When the function is in the form of x fx between the limits a to b, in place of x we can take a plus b by 2 and the function of x is as it is. When we can take this is when the f of a plus b minus x is fx. Okay, that property I am using first. You know a plus b here, 0 plus pi. 0 plus pi is pi. Sin pi minus x is sin x. Therefore, it is f of a plus b minus x is fx. That's why you can use immediately in place of x we can take a plus b by 2. What is here? 0 plus b is a pi by 2 into integral of 0 to pi. In place of a to b, what are these? What are those? 0 to pi and function is sin power 6x. Okay, what is this tip? Once again I am writing this is down. X f x between the limits a to b we can take as a plus b by 2 times of between the limits a to b as it is. In place of x we can write a plus b by 2 and the function f x is as it is, right? When the condition is what? F of a plus b minus x is fx. Okay, in this case we can use this tip. You know this is in this form only x fx. In place of fx what is there? Sin power 6x. A b are 0 pi. A plus b is pi. Pi minus x is sin pi minus x is sin x. Means this is true. Immediately you can take this thing as what? A plus b by 2. In place of x we can add a plus b means 0 plus pi by 2. Same function fx is what? In place of fx what is there? Sin power 6x between the limits 0 to pi. Is it clear? Now just you can watch the previous videos, then only you can follow the part 1, 2, 3 one by one because there are a sequence application. Right here pi by 2. Limits are from function is sin power 6x, limits from 0 to pi. Okay, is it in the form of 0 to pi by 2 limits? No. Again use this formula minus a to 0 to 2a. What is 0 to 2a fx we can take it as? 0 to 2 fx we can take it as f of minus x or fx minus fx. You know 0 to 2a fx becomes 2 times of 0 to a fx when f of 2a minus x is equals to fx. Okay, that property I am using here. 0 to 2a in place of 2a what is there? Pi is there. Fx is sin x. Sin 2a minus x. Sin pi minus x is sin x. Means same function only can get. Therefore, we can write this is 2 times of pi by 2 already is there into 2 times of 0 to in place of 2a I have taken as a means half of the 2a. Half of the pi is pi by 2 into of the function sin power 6 dx. Is it clear? Now it becomes integral of sin power 6x 0 to pi by 2 by using this property. Clear? Now ready to apply this is. Now 2 to cancel here, pi times of this is clearly I6. I6, 6 minus 1. Pi is as it is, 6 minus 1 is 5 by n minus 1 by n, 6 into 5 minus 2 is a 3 by 6 minus 2 is a 4. Again 3 minus 1, 2 is a 1 by 4 minus 2 is a 2. What you got? 1 by 2 because of n is 6 even, right? Now into what you have to take? 5 by 2, right? This is clearly cancellation. 3 2's. This is 5 pi by pi into pi, pi square by 8 4's 32. Yes, 5 pi square by 32. Which option? 5 pi square by 32 is clearly first option. Clear? We have to use the properties, tips and tricks. Easily can get. There is no difficult at all. Just you have to concentrate which properties you have to use, which tips and tricks we have to use. If you apply, then only can remember it easily. There is no difficult at all. Just you have to concentrate how we can apply, where we can apply. Right? That is important. Clear? Question number 6 and 7, you can observe that here there is a tan function. In previous questions, I used the sine and the cos. Here there is tan function. What is the reduction formula for tan? We can concentrate on this step, right? Just we can concentrate like this. If in is in the form of integral of tan power nx, tan power n means tan x function n between the limits here 0 to pi by 4. In case of sine and cos, limits are 0 to pi by 2, here 0 to pi by 4. We should remember where n is any positive integer. And I can, how you can use in is in the form of, means this is in the form of 1 by n minus 1 with minus in minus 2. Okay, when n is even, we can get somewhere else I0. I0 is simply we can take it as pi by 4. I will go the expanded form also. When n is odd, we can get I1. I1 is we can take 1 by 2 log 2. All these we derived from the subjective point of view. Here in objective point of view, you have to apply. That is important. Okay, in is in the form of tan power n function between the limit 0 to pi by 4. In is formula becomes 1 by n minus 1 minus in minus 2. When n is even, we can get somewhere else I0. I0 we can take it as pi by 4. When n is odd, I1 we can get I1 is 1 by 2 log 2. In case of tan reduction formula, this is clear, right? So in this expanded form also I am giving here. In we can write like 1 by n minus 1 with minus 1 by n minus 3. Alternative plus or minus you can use 1, 3, 4, 5 like that. Plus 1 by n minus 5 minus 1 by n minus 7 etc. Till where you have to proceed here? Wherever maybe no 0, no negative. Till there we have to expand. When n is even, we can get somewhere else I0. I0 is simply pi by 4. N is odd, we can get I1. I1 is 1 by 2 log 2. We should remember how you can use that tan reduction formula in case of these two questions. First of all, you can concentrate, right? Now come to the question number 6. What is given here? Yes, it is in the form of tan power 4x. In place of n there is 4, right? And limits are 0 to pi by 4 only. I4 we want. What is according to this formula? I4. 4 is even or odd? Yes, 4 is clearly even. We can use this tip short form. We can use better. 1 by n minus 1 means 1 by 4 minus 1 is 3 minus 1 by 4 minus 1. Next 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is what? 1 minus 3 is what? 1. Then you can stop. Don't take 4 minus 5 because it becomes negative. After that plus we can add I0. Why it is I0? Because of 4 is even number. Right? 1 by 3 minus 1 plus I0. What is I0? I0 is clearly pi by 4. This is I0, right? Now by the simplification of this is 1 by 3 minus 1. LCM is 3. 1 minus 3 plus pi by 4. This one shall I write? Pi by 4 is positive. We can take first. 1 minus 3 is a minus 2 by 3. 5 by 4 minus 2 by 3. Which option? Yes, clearly first option. Is it clear now? This expansion you can write like this. We have to remember this and this also. Sometimes you can use this is also. Depends upon the question. And expanded form also we can use. This is expanded form. Clear? Alternative plus or minus you have to use. When n is even, immediately you can take. If there is a plus, maybe minus, after minus, you can get the plus I0. If there is a plus, you can get the minus I0 like that. Depends on the power. Maybe 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. Even or odd. Here even. Now it is, you can concentrate on this one. If un instead of in, use the un is in the form of tan power nx like this. He is asking u10 plus u12. u10 plus u12. First, what is un? According to this formula, it is better. This one you can use. un is equals to 1 by n minus 1 minus un minus 2. You can use the u letter. What is highest value? 10 and 12 about? 12 is highest value. Substitute n is 12 on both sides. What happened here? U12 is equals 1 by, in place of n, 12. 12 minus 1 minus u 12 minus 2. That is u12 is equal 1 by 12 minus 1 is 11. 1 by 11 minus u10. Shall I take the u10 is this side? Now it becomes minus u10 becomes plus u10 plus u12 is a 1 by 11. What is asking? u10 plus u12 is how much? 1 by 11. Which option? Clearly third option. Here which tip I used? I used this one. For this question I used the expanded form. For this question I used the starting formula. That's it. Clear? So you have to choose the formula. Maybe you may give any letter. Here you given that letter U, I, whatever, maybe give the letter. Is it clear? Now can come forward some more questions, right? The question number 8. What is given here? If in is given in the form of tan power index between the limit 0 to pi by 4, it's okay. You know very well reduction formula. And what is asking then? Limit is asking. Limit n tends to infinity in plus 2 value. Is given that limit application. He is asking the limit application. He may ask one question to one chapter link to other chapter, like limits to derivatives, limits to integrations, integrations to limits, derivative differentiation, maybe determinants. So many applications are there. We can concentrate on what are the limits, what are the integrations in this question. Very simple, no need to worry. First of all, what is in? Tan power nx, right? What is the in formula? I am using the starting one. In is equals to 1 by n minus 1 minus in minus 2. In our required limit, what is asking? In plus 2. What is highest? N or n plus 2? Yes, n plus 2. Just like previous question, I used the 12. Among the 10 and 12, highest is 12. Like in n and n plus 2, what is highest? N plus 2. Put n as n plus 2 on both sides. Put n as n plus 2 on both sides. What happened? Right? In place of n, we can write n plus 2 in first term. Left side, right side 1 by n plus 2. In place of n plus 2 with the minus 1. Minus I, in place of n we can write n plus 2, already minus 2 is there, right? This is in plus 2 is 1 by n plus 2 minus 1 is, yes, n plus 2 minus 1 is n plus 1 with minus I, plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled, in. Shall I take in in this side? Therefore it becomes in plus in minus 2, n plus 2 we have 1 by n plus 1. We have which result? in plus 2 result we have 1 by in plus 2 result we have 1 by n plus 1. Now we can apply the limit. Limit n tends to infinity. In place of in, one more n is there, here n also there. N times of limit n times of in plus 2. Limit n tends to infinity. N of, what is in plus 2 we got? 1 by n plus 1, right? This is limit n tends to infinity. N by n plus 1. This value immediately you can take as 1. This is also I did limit chapter. Limit at infinity case. What is that limit at infinity? That is I am using here limit f1, like that property how to use. Limit n tends to infinity, a x power n plus m or n, a1 a x power n, a2 x power, a1 a2 x power m minus 1 and so on plus am, and the denominator is in the form of b1 x power n minus 1 plus b2 x power n minus n here. b1 x power n plus b2 x power n minus 1 and so on is bn. This value is a1 by b1 when m is equals to n. There are the three properties. m less than 1 is there, m greater than n is there, m is equals to n is there. Here mn are what? Degrees of the numerator as well as numerator as well as denominator. What degree of this function? 1. Denominator power is 1, numerator power is also 1. Means what? Powers degrees of the numerator denominator are equal. Then we can take a1 by b1. a1 is what? Quotient of degree term in numerator, b1 is quotient of degree term in the denominator. What is degree term here? N, quotient is 1. In this also n, quotient is 1. 1 by 1 is 1. Okay, here I use the limit application. Now what is the value got? 1. According to the options, which is the correct option? S, second option. Okay, these are the various questions. So I did the tan in reduction formula and its application. Now it is you know. Now we can come forward some more reduction formulas. What are those? Look at. Clear, right? Now we can now concentrate one of the major reduction formula, that is combination of sine and cos. I did sine separately, cos separately and tan separately. But what is a combination of sine and cos reduction formula? How can you use it? So what is that? I have written here, just you have to concentrate. I am giving the hints also. How can you remember it? It is simply denoted as Imn. Imn is in the form of integral of sine power mx cos power n between the limit 0 to pi by 2. Limits are 0 to pi by 2. What is sine power is m, cos power is n. Okay. So then we can write the Imn reduction formula as n minus 1 by sum of m plus n. Next n minus 3 by sum of m plus n with minus 2. You know, we can observe that here numerator, from the numerator we can observe that all odd numbers are reducing from the n, like n minus 1, n minus 3, n minus 5, such that where there is no negative, no 0, till there we have to expand. That is numerator. And denominator we can observe that from the m plus n, even numbers are reducing. M plus n minus 0 is m plus n minus 2, m plus n minus 4, like that we have to use a denominator. And somewhere else we can get by the expanding like this. Somewhere else we can get m comma 0 or m comma 1. When we can get the m comma 0 when n is odd number, n is power of cos is odd number, we can get the im comma 0. Im comma 0 value immediately we can take as im. Im means reduction formula in are given in previous questions, like n minus 1 by n minus 3 by n minus 2, that only we have to use. In case of n is even, we have to expand again im. Clear? And if n is odd, we can get the im comma 1. Im comma 1 itself value is 1 by m plus 1. Only two tips you have to remember here, where im comma 0, m comma 1. N is even, n is odd. Okay, there are the 4 or 6 tips are there, but no need to remember all, just 2 are enough. We can crack im in any question. Are you ready? Yes, without delay, we can now consider question number 9. Okay, when I am going to apply, then we can get the clear idea. Evaluate integral of sine power 4x cos square x. Here it is in the form of I m comma n. M is here 4 comma 2. According to this one, what is the n here? M is a 4, n is 2. We can consider n is even number. Even numbers we can get m comma 1. Okay, that is okay. Now what you can do? Now tell me. 4 comma 2, n minus 1. What is the first term? N minus 1. That is 2 minus 1 by m plus n, 4 plus 2. 2 minus 1 is positive. If you take the 2 minus, it becomes negative. Then you can stop it. Into. That's it. Only one term you can get. Then I, what you can get? If n is even number, I m comma 0. In place of m, what is there? 4. I 4 comma 0. Right? Next step. Here 1 by 6. I 4 comma 0 is I 4. Yes, according to the previous reduction formula, I 4 is in case of sine and cos. What is that? 4 minus 1 by 4. 4 minus means n minus 1 by n minus 3 by n minus 2, like that. Again we can adjust 1 by 6 here. 4 minus 1, 3 by n is 4. Again what are given hint? Reduce the 2 in the from the numerator as well as denominator. 3 minus 2 is 1 by 4 minus 2 is 2. 1 by 2 we got. If you get the 1 by 2, what you can take? Yes, pi by 2 we can take. Because of what is m here? 4 is even number, we can get 1 by 2. Then we can stop it. Simplification, 3 2's pi by 8, 2 4's 8, 8 4's are 32. Pi by 32, which option? Yes, clearly second option. Is it clear now? Just we have to concentrate what is application. So, IEM in application. Now we can come forward some more questions. Question number 10. What is given there? Integral of sine power 5x cos power 7x. It is in the form of sine power mx cos power nx. What are the limits here? 0 to 2 pi. Is it in the form of 0 to pi by 2? No. 0 to 2 pi. How can you reduce it? You know, again we can use that property. 0 to 2a fx dx is either 0 when f of 2a minus x is equals to minus fx. Is 2 times of 0 to a fx when f of 2a minus x is equals to plus fx. We can check it first of all. We can think f of x is this function. In place of 2a, what is there? 2 pi. So f of x is what here? F of x is sine power 5x cos power 7x. Cos power 7. Okay, right. In place of 2a, what is there here? 2 pi. That is f of 2 pi minus x, we can check it. That is sine power 5 of 2 pi minus x cos power 7 of 2 pi minus x. Is it clearly sine 2 pi minus x? 2 pi minus x is which coordinate? Yes, exactly fourth coordinate. In the fourth coordinate, sign is negative. Means what here? Minus sine x whole power 5 you can get. Here, in case of cos, fourth coordinate cos is positive. That is cos x whole power 7. What is here? Negative sign with odd number. Means we can get negative only. That is minus sine power 7x sine power 7 into sine power 5 sine power 5 into cos power 7x. Right? It is clearly minus fx or not? Fx is sine power 5x cos power 7x. We got minus fx. F of 2a minus x is equal to minus fx. F of 2a minus x is equal to minus fx. The resultant value is what is that? 0. Immediately we can pick up the fourth option. No need to calculate that formation also because it becomes 0. Clear? Right. Now we can come to the question number 11. Here is in the form of 0 to pi by 2 IM and formula only. What is m here? M is 3, n is also 3. Now, according to this one, I 3 comma 3, right? N minus 1, that is 3 minus 1 by m plus n, 3 plus 3, 6. We can't use a 3 minus 3 because it becomes 0. Negative and 0 we cannot get. 3 minus 1 by 6 we got. Stop it. Now we can concentrate on n. N is what here? 3. 3 is even number or odd number? N is odd number. 3 is odd number. What we can write? I m comma 1. I m is 3, 3 comma 1 is equals to 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 by 6 into what is I 1 m comma 1? I m comma 1 is simply we can write I m comma 1 simply we can write 1 by m plus 1. In place of m, what is there? 3. That is 1 by 3 plus 1. That's it. 2 3's cancel. 1 by 3 into 1 by 4 is clearly 1 by 12. Right. Very simple question. Okay. If it is n is even, we can get some I m comma 1. Then I m comma 1 is simply 1 by m plus 1. Now, what is the answer? 1 by 12 is clearly first option. Is it clear now? Now, how can you reduce the reduction formulas? I did some questions by the substitution. How can you use sine power nx, cos power nx, tan power nx between the limit 0 to pi by 4, tan, sine and cos are 0 to pi by 2. In case of sine and cos together, also limit 0 to pi by 2. This is called as IMN formula. Sometimes we won't give the directly IMN like sine and cos, tan, sine, etc. Sometimes we can get by the substitution, suitable substitution, we can get into reduction formation, then reduct it. These two questions are given in previous MSET. This is MSET 2014, this is MSET 2011. Sometimes you may not give the question directly, apply the reduction formula, but taking some suitable substitution, it becomes into reduction formula, then we can split it. Like that, there are the questions, especially 12th question you can look at here. What is that? Integral of sine power 4 3 theta, sine power cos power 4 3 theta, sine square 6 theta between the limit 0 to pi by 6. What is the given function? Sine cos power 4 3 theta angle, sine square 6 theta angle. Is it in the form of sine power mx cos power nx? No, it is not. X means only one multiple it will be. But here multiples of 3, it is multiples of 6. We can adjust into reduction formula, then we can calculate it. How we can use it? First of all, sine power 6 theta, cos power 4 3 theta, we can write as it is. Sine power sine 6 theta. Sine 2a formula, yes, 2 sine a cos a. Sine 6 theta, we can write 2 sine 3 theta cos 3 theta with square. First, we can reduce both are in the same angle. This is 5 by 6. This 3 theta, 6 theta, we can reduce into 3 theta angle because sine 2a formula, you know very well. That is used here. 0 to pi by 6. So, as it is limits, cos power 4 of angle 3 theta. Here 2 square is 4, I am taking outside. That is sine square 3 theta and cos square 3 theta. Okay, this is d theta, right? Now we can observe that there are the limit 0 to pi by 6 sine function, sine square 3 theta, and cos function, cos power 4 plus 2, cos power 6 3 theta. Okay, both are in the same angle 3 theta, but it is not in terms of theta like x. What you have to do? We can take the suitable substitution. What is suitable substitution here? Yes, 3 theta is taken as a t. Let 3 theta is a t. What is its derivative? 3 into theta derivative d theta and t is a dt. What is a d theta now? 1 by 3 d3. 1 by 3 dt. Right? Just we can convert into variable substitution. D theta is equals to 1 by 3 dt. Right? Now I am doing this is here. 4 into. I am reducing the 3 theta is a t. D theta is 1 by 3 dt. What you have to do now? Limit changing. What are the lower limit and upper limit of theta? 0 to pi by 6. If theta is 0, what is a t? T is a 0. Means lower limit of t is 0. If theta is a pi by 6, 3 into pi by 6 is how much? Yes, pi by 2. Now limits are changing from 0 to pi by 6 to 0 to pi by 2. And the sine square 3 theta is a t, cos power 6 3 theta as a t, and d theta is 1 by 3 dt. Right? 4 is there, 1 by 3 is there, that is constant, 4 by 3. Now 0 to pi by 2. Sine square t cos power 6t dt. Yes, it is clearly in the form of IMN. N is 6, M is 2. So according to the formula, what is IMN formula? Again, N minus 1, that is 6 minus 1 by M plus N, 2 plus 6, 8. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 minus 2 is a 3 by 8 minus 2 is a 6. Like that we can reduce it. 6 minus 1 is 5. Again 5 minus 2 is 3. 8 minus 2 is 6. Again 3 minus 2 is a 1. 6 minus 4 is a 6 minus 2 is a 4. We can stop here and we can concentrate on n. What is n here? 6. 6 is even number or odd number? Yes, 6 is even number. Immediately we can collect m comma 0. I m comma 0 we can get. I m comma 0 means I m. What is m here? 2. That is I2. Right. It is a clearly 4 by 3 into 5 by 8 into 3 by 6, 1 by 2 we can write, into 1 by 4 into I2. I2 can I write? Yes, 2 minus 1 by 2. I2 means just like IN. 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 minus 1 by 2 is a 1 by 2 into immediately you can take pi by 2. Because of here 2 is even number, right? Now we can make the simplification again. 4, 4 cancel, right? 5 pi by here 2 minus 1 is 1, 5 pi. Next 3 8s 24, 24 8s 192. So 5 pi by 192. Okay, which option that is clearly? Third option. What I did here? To reduce into reduction formula, I use the suitable substitution. First of all, I use the sine 2a formula, then substitution 3 theta as a t. So what are the changes? What are its applications? You know very well about this question. Clear? Now come to the question number 13. Shall I? It's very simple. But you have to concentrate. If there is a lengthy question, we can avoid it in case of the public examination. But you have to know the subject. What is its application? Now, question number 13, which is given, In is given as tan power n theta, where n is 1, 2, 3 and so on given. Then is asked In minus 1 plus In plus 1. Same model questions already did. In minus 1 and In plus 1. N minus 1, n plus 1, which is highest? N plus 1. Especially first of all, you know, In is what here? In case of tan, 1 by n minus 1 minus In minus 2. You have this result. Put n is equals to n as n plus 1. Highest value among n minus 1 and n plus 1. N plus 1. Substitute on both sides. I, in place of n we can take n plus 1. Is equals to 1 by n is n plus 1 with minus 1. Minus I, in place of n we can write n plus 1 with minus 2. Therefore, In plus 1 is equals to 1 by n plus 1 minus 1 is n, with n minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, that is n minus 1. In plus 1 is equal to 1 by n minus In minus 1. I am taking this side, n minus 1 minus becomes plus In plus 1. Is the resultant value 1 by n. What is asking? In minus 1 plus In plus 1 is asking. That is 1 by n. Which option? It's clearly third option. Is it clear? Evaluate integral of x square of a square minus x square whole power 3 by 2. In such cases, what you have to do? This is very, very important for your subjective point of view also. This model. So here we can take some suitable substitution, then it becomes a reduction formula. What is suitable substitution? Here if there is a square minus x square is there, if there is minus x square is there, we can take x as a, put x is a sin theta. Put x is a sin theta. Now we can change the dx is what? A cos theta d theta. We are changing the substitution by the terms of theta. Now we can change the limits. What is the lower limit of the x0? X is 0 means what? Sin 0 by a is 0. Sin 0 is a 0. Therefore, theta is equals to 0, lower limit. And what is the upper limit of theta? X is a by a is a 1. Sin theta is 1 means what? Theta is must be pi by 2. Right? You know the limits are changing from 0a to 0 to pi by 2. And in place of x, what you can take? A sin theta. Dx is a cos theta d theta. Now the question becomes, tell me, limits from 0 to pi by 2, from 0a to 0 to pi by 2, then x square, x is a sin theta whole square, that is a square sin square theta, right, into a square minus x is what? A sin theta, that is a square sin square theta, whole power 3 by 2, right, dx. Dx is a cos theta d theta. After taking the substitution x is equal to a sin theta, dx is equal to a cos theta, d theta, and limits are 0 to pi by 2, the question becomes like this. In this, what you can observe that limits are 0 to pi by 2 as it is. A square here, by taking the a square is common. A square whole power 3 by 2. Here sin square theta, a square sin square theta, right? But taking a square is common, a square whole power 3 by 2. A square whole power 3 by 2 means what? A power 3, right? Into 1 minus sin square theta with power 3 by 2 is left over. Into here a cos theta d theta, right? Now next step, 0 to pi by 2 limits, right? What is here? A into a cube, a power 4, a power 4 into a square, a power 6, right? Now that is constant I have taken out. Next step, sin square theta is there. You know 1 minus sin square theta is what? Yes, 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta, whole power 3 by 2 is cos cube theta. Cos cube theta into here, cos theta is cos power 4 theta. Now it is in the form of what? Imn, that is a power 6 is constant, I2 comma 4. Right, what is Imn formula? N minus 1. Can recollect that one Imn, n minus 1, that is 4 minus 1, 3 by m plus n is 6. N minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3 by m plus n is 6 into 3 minus 2 is 1 by 6 minus 2 is 4, right? Into what is n here? N is 4 is even number. In case of even number, what you can get? Im comma 0, I2 comma 0 we can get. M is 2 here. Now next step, a power 6. 3 cancel, 1 by 2 times of 1 by 4 times of I2. How can you write? I2 is what? 2 minus 1 by 2 into 2 minus 1 by 2 is what? 1 by 2. Immediately you can take into pi by 2. Okay, what this resultant value you can check here. A power 6, right, by here pi is there, pi, and 2 4s 8, 8 4s are 32. Okay, pi a power 6 by 32. Pi a power 6 by 32 here. 32. First option you can make it as 32. I written as 12, but it is 32. Okay, that is clearly first option. Okay, pi a power 6 by 32. We can make it as correction, pi by not 12, pi by 32 into a power 6. Clear? Now can concentrate question number 15. By taking a suitable substitution, now you got this is into reduction formula. Same way here, we can take the suitable substitution. In place of a square is what there? 9. A square is 9 means a is a 3. Like a square minus x square. 3 square minus x square. Means indirectly you can take substitution is what? Put x is equals to 3 sin theta. A sin theta in place of a what is there? 3. Now dx is 3 cos theta d theta. Changing the limits. X 0, theta 0, x 3, 3 by 3 1, sin is 1 for 90. Limits are changing, same method, 0 to pi by 2, from 0 to 3 to 9 minus x is 3 sin theta, 3 square means 9 sin square theta, x square is there, whole power 3 by 2 into dx. Dx is what? 3 cos theta d theta. Right, now what is the next step? Here 0 to pi by 2 limits as it is. But 9 is common, 9 whole power 3 by 2. 9 means 3 square whole power 3 by 2 coming out. Here what is left over? 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta is what? Cos square theta with power 3 by 2 means cos cube theta. Into here 3 cos theta d theta. Okay, right. You know this is 3 cancel. 3 cube is 27. 27 3 is 81. 81 between the limit 0 to pi by 2 integral cos cube into cos power 4 theta. Okay, this is clearly what? I4. That is 81. I4 we can write 4 minus 1, that is 3 by n minus 1 by n. 4 minus 1 3 by n is 4. into 3 minus 2 is 1 by 4 minus 2 is a 2. 1 by 2 immediately we can take pi by 2. That's it. Now calculation part of this is 8. 81 3 is 243. 243 pi by 4 4 16. 243 pi by 16 is a clearly first option. These two are also we are applying reduction formula but not directly. We have to use some suitable substitution. Clear? These are the various questions I did on the reduction formulas, basic questions in case of definite integrations as a part 5. I hope so. If you enjoy this video, you are enjoying this video. If you make sure if you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe. I will come with new tips and tricks as a part 6. In this same topic, I will explain next video. Till then, have a great time. Do the work hard to focus the more number of questions in your final examination. Keep practicing. Keep practicing. If you want to watch my videos, whose links are given below description, we can watch them and give your valuable feedback. Clear? See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.